Hi guys, welcome to The Spot, a place for teens at the DeSoto Public Library. Hi guys, today we're going to do a really fun craft that you can do at home with crayons. Ms. Nara, what do we need to get started?
We're going to need an art canvas. If you don't have an original art canvas, you can use a cardboard box. You need crayons, a blow dryer, graphic art, scissors, rubber band, a plastic cup, a glue stick, hot glue gun, along with some hot glue sticks. You're also going to need a splash guard. We're going to use wrapping paper. If you don't have wrapping paper, you can use a plastic bag.
Let's get started. First, you will need to choose and cut out your graphic. Then position your graphic on your canvas. Now glue your graphic to the canvas. Next, select your crayons and line them up on the border of your canvas. Once you have selected your colors and location, hot glue them in place. Now slide your rubber band over the canvas so that you can cover your graphic using the cup. Make sure it's securely in place. Place your canvas in your splash guard work area. Using the high heat setting, hold your dryer over the crayons to melt them. You can adjust your setting to low if your crayons are melting too fast. Continue this until you have your desired design. Allow your art to dry for 10 minutes before removing the cup. Then you can add your signature or favorite quote. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed this craft. We'll see you next time. Bye. For more information, call 972-230-9663.